Hi everyone. In this video, I will make a highly sensitive fire detector circuit using a BC547 transistor. It's very simple to make, but its work is very effective. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get the notification of. Let's understand how to use a breadboard. Here these lines are horizontally connected. I will be using these for the power supply. And those lines are vertically connected. I will be using those for components connection. For this project, we need a BC547 transistor, an active buzzer, one IR receiver LED, one 5mm LED, 220 ohms resistors, and some connectors. Place a BC547 transistor on the breadboard. Connect the emitter of the transistor with the negative rail of the breadboard. Connect the IR receiver positive terminal with the base of the transistor. Connect a 220 ohms resistor between the LED positive terminal and the positive rail of the breadboard. Now place an active buzzer on the breadboard. Connect the positive terminal of the buzzer with the positive rail of the breadboard. And connect the negative terminal of the buzzer with the collector of the transistor. Now place a 5mm LED light on the breadboard. And connect a 220 ohms resistor between the positive terminal of the LED and the positive rail of the breadboard. Then connect the negative terminal of LED with the collector of the transistor. Remember, to use both rails of the breadboard, always connect the upper negative rail with the lower negative rail, and the upper positive rail with the lower positive rail of the breadboard. Because I will take power in my project from both rail of the breadboard, the circuit connection is completed. Let's test it. I'm providing a 5-volt power supply from the adapter of my mobile charger. For this, I've made this USB cable like this. Connect the positive terminal with the positive rail and the negative terminal with the negative rail of the breadboard. Now I'm making a fire with the gas light. Its sensitivity is very good. I hope you liked the video. It would be helpful for your school or college project. Please explore the previous project I've uploaded to my channel. Thank you for watching.